Hey, what's up YouTube? It is day 17 of Vlogmas. No kind of just week. Once again, Mr. looking a miss. I'm going to actually be washing my hair today. Since you know, when I insist them, I'm going to show them what a little home type of vlog them. So yeah, I can wash my hair and all kind of things. Get rid of the scrummage, get rid of the dandruff, get rid of all kind of gingivitis that might be up into my hair follicles. It is going to go away after this. So let's check it out. Yes, I'm going to start washing my hair now and see what kind of difference it is going to make. Okay? And yes, so time for the conditioner so you know how the strips they go. Oh shoot, the shampoo is. Wait, was it the shampoo or the conditioner we used a while ago? Well, that is it. You see me here, like it feel much better. I need to go make sure I put some little stuff in there and fix it up before I go up on the road. And yeah, I need to go trim, but I'm going to rough it for now until a time for record on social media countdown have it hard fix it up. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering what might be in Dutty's fridge, this is a time when you can really just judge me. And judge me for anything. So, like, yep. Or just go and scan. Like, yep, look there. This is what you call, like, the month done. There is no food. Why is there a random pot of rice? There is no food. There is, like, everything. It's just a mess right now. And look into the freezer. What there? Salsa ice. Ah! So go and suck it up, people. Yep. Go and enjoy it. There is, what is this? A random piece of smoked red herring, piece of ginger, piece of saltfish. This is rough life. Like, watch there. Random lime juice. Jeez, thank God for poor Betty. Boy, oh boy. Yeah, it just rough. So if you or anybody want to help me, oh God, look at that, a random piece of onion and pepper. If anybody want to help me, feel free, you know. This is a Dutty Christmas, you know. I'm more than gladly to do a tour of every Jamaican household that will be preparing some good Christmas dinner. No man, this is bad, but yeah, I go to the supermarket. Yeah, as soon as I get little pay, I have to go deal with something, cause boy, this rough. Watch it. Oh, look at that. The Christmas tree is still in effect. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. I would have big old space in yourself for like not that thing that they so well go on. Somebody could tell me someone could have put 2 decoration in there. That's great. Let's see if we can take piece of cloth. Alright, yeah man, much better. Yeah man, I ate that. Much better. Oh, so look what I just found. So some years ago, I did have I did say I have my own little show, and when I have my show, I have like a cue card, but the things them get messed up, like they legit got laminated the wrong way. It's supposed to get laminated on the back, and instead them put it on the front part of it. So yeah, that got messed up. And what is that? This is my book, you know, my Usain Bolt book, and that I got no, I never get it. I hard paid for it at Triple Century. Was it some months ago earlier? I'm gonna have the autograph right here, so. And I think I'll do a video when they actually get the autograph before they run me out of the place, and me kind of nervous. This is him and him family. Oh yes, I met his family once, and his mother never really want to talk to me. She was a lovely lady, you know, but I think she don't want to talk to me because she feel like me gonna do some mix up her excitement. And me never tell her say everything good, man. I'm not that crazy. And her and him father right here, so we seem like a cool dude. It's a young Bolt. Watch him, man. Why Bolt look younger now than he look back in the day? This is when him did got William Nib with Juliet Cuthbert. We come to say oldness and one to the brother, yeah, man. Jeremy and Gonzalez. Jesus speed. Oh yes, so let me tell you, if you are not following Terry Kartel on our Instagram, you need to join the Instagram family because yeah, I kinda start the page more while I just sit down, wake up in the morning and watch the whole of her snap them. Right now, I feel like I know the whole of her car. I know the whole of the interior of her car right now. You know, big up yourself, Kartel. Our story them just, me don't know.
Where should we go? I'm like, you know, it really depends when it comes to restaurants. Cause I might like sushi, but he made. After we go back and forth, boom, bam, I'm finding out what he likes to eat. I'm just like, alright, I'm going to recommend this restaurant because I feel like it's a perfect ambience, customer service, and the food tastes good. And she said, Terry, from I said the food tastes good, she knows it tastes good. So she goes and she sends me a lovely photo with him and her having dinner, and she was just like, yo, thanks Terry, the restaurant was everything, the food was good, it was exactly what you said it would be, and he enjoyed himself. And I'm like, yeah! There's nothing worse than when you recommend something, especially a restaurant, and you go there and either the people them get sick, or them get diarrhea, or the food never.
Hey, what's up, burritos? Welcome to day 18 of VLOGMAS. Now today is going to be another random day. I'm basically going to just be walking up and down and, I don't know, just stop by random places. I think I'm finally gonna get trim. So I'm gonna go somewhere in a half a tree and get a little trim, get something to eat, and I do not know what else, but hopefully enjoy the video. Over here, so almost to the building where them say Bolt to take over. The Zoom building. See, there's the new brand ambassador. I wonder if I can go in. I'm afraid somebody can shoot me down though. But I hate this. Wow. Okay, so now I'm there. I totally forget me and try on shoes because I have a funeral going to tomorrow. And so I have to go try on the pants here and see if it can actually hard fit me. Yes, Mama.
Oh my God.
Hello, Mr. Duttyberry.
Yeah?
Are the pants fit?
Oh, sorry, man. I talked to my grandmother. Hold on. Mama, I have to call you back later because I fit one pants.
Pardon me?
I have to call you back later because I'm fitting a pants.
Okay, alright.
Alright, Mama. Alright, so I find one pants. Let's see here. Oh my God. Yes, so I find the pants. Apparently I am a size 36 now, which is bad. I'm a size 36. Oh my God. A video, you know. A video.
I'm the fashion bro. I'm one of the greatest mover in town.
Okay.
If you want a proper haircut, you can check me at Paul Plaza. My name is Mr. Eccentric, and the tune will be dropping for the Christmas.
For your Instagram?
My Instagram is fashion bro JA. Okay, and for the dressing, it's Eccentric Top Style. Okay, big up, one love.
Representative. Hmm?
I'm a gay present.
I tell you, I want a laptop and a camera. Cheap, something like that. Only that's less than
that. You have me. Okay?
Yeah, but in a gift wrap.
Oh, you can gift wrap me. You still my head look mad? Oh my God, I can't believe you have my camera looking like this.
Well, that is it, people. Thanks for watching. This is VLOGMAS. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe, all of these different things. Boy, oh boy. I just can't wait to get to the last part of the VLOGMAS videos because them video here,